So I actually genuinely believe that VR has suffered from one massive issue, and that massive issue is first impressions
Hmm.
have been very, very mixed based on who you put it on their head. And I think that what we've found over the years, especially with working for the company that I've worked with, River, for a long time, is that we've put it on so many different people who aren't into VR, that don't understand what it's like to wear a headset and don't know what they're getting into. And their preconceived notion is that they'll feel sick. They're going to vomit. It's not going to make them feel very well. And I know that that is quite an old kind of thought process these days, but actually, I actually think Apple chose to come into this. Yes, if we put aside the price and the Apple tax and the build they chose to go with in terms of materials, their approach is to try and change that opinion
Hmm.
for a mass market. So
Yeah.
at the moment, no, the product is too expensive for most people to even think about buying, especially if you are a traditional VR user and you want to play full six off games and you want really good titles and high fidelity. You're going to be tethered to a PC if you want that quality most of the time anyway. But if you want to kind of still play full six off and stuff, you can't really go wrong with something like a Quest or something like that.
Yeah.
Vision Pro is not that product. I think the Vision Pro has been pushed into doing things with, say, PSVR2 controllers because people have asked for it.
Hmm.
But I think that Apple wanted to make it this hub of media, I think, media and productivity more than interactive gaming device.